Everyone is learning skills today. AI skills, coding skills, new tool every month. But here's the strange part. Most people are learning more than ever and still getting worse results. Let's talk about why. If you feel like you are continuously learning but not really improving, this video is for you. And no, the problem is not lack of efforts. Today learning feels productive. You watch video, you complete courses, you tick checkbox, but productivity is not progress. The internet made learning easy, but skill building is supposed to be hard. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people are not learning skills, they are consuming information. Watching a tutorial feels like learning, but it doesn't change how you act or think. Real skill changes how you make decision when no one is guiding you. The moment learning become uncomfortable, people switch to another course, another tool, another video. That's not learning. That's escape. A big mistake today is confusing tools with skills. Knowing a tool doesn't mean you have skills. Tool change fast. Skill change slow. Skills are problem solving, thinking clearly, applying knowledge without instructions. Tools are just shortcut. If you want real improvement, learn less, practice more, build before you feel ready. Stop asking what I should learn next. Start asking what can I do with what I already know. This question separates learners from professionals. Wit Reach exists to help you learn seriously in a smart way. If this video helps you think different, subscribe to this channel. We don't chase trends here, we build understanding.